have been posting on YouTube for a very long time without getting views and subscribers despite uploading video every single day. I need you to stop posting. It could be that your channel is even Shadowban without you knowing. I want you to do this simple text on your channel right now. Pick any of your video from your channel and then click on how viewers see my content and see if YouTube is recommending your videos. Now if YouTube is not recommending your video, it could be that your channel is Shadowban. But don't worry, because in this video we are going to fix that together. Okay, we are going to fix this particular setting at the back end of your channel. Even as a small YouTuber, your video can still go viral. Take a look at this, my channel. This is a very small channel. You can see my subscribers, we are not up to 2k subscribers yet, but my videos have been going viral. Now take a look at one of my video here. You know, this video got up to 10k views and it's going viral, and a lot more like that. My videos have been getting enough views just because of these simple settings that I did at the back end of my channel. And that is what I'll be teaching you in this video, how to do these simple YouTube settings at the back end of your channel.
Let's quickly run a test on your channel to know if it's shadow banned or not. Click on your profile picture down there, then click on accounts. Okay, then you are going to click on this turn on incognito. Click on this turn on incognito. All right, now when you come to this interface, I'm going to search the name of your channel. Is either you put the name of your channel or you put the name of your video, any of your video. Type it here. Now I'm going to type one of my own. I will say one of my video is YouTube not recommending your video. Okay, let me see. I'm using my own as an example. Okay, now when I search for it, you can see it. You can see my video here. All right, so this shows that my channel is active and is being recommended by YouTube. Now let's go and do a proper setting, okay, so that YouTube will start recommending your videos. Log into your studio dashboard by typing youtubestudio.com. click on sign in, and then input your YouTube email and password. Then after that, you click on continue to studio. Yes, continue to studio. Then your YouTube studio dashboard will open this way. Now when it opens this way, you're going to look down among all these icons. You see this setting icon. You are going to click on this setting icon. All right, then when you click on this setting icon, you're going to click on channel. You click on your channel. Look at it, channel. Then you are going to click on feature eligibility. Yes, feature eligibility. Now you're going to make sure that this is these three features down here is being enabled. If your own is not enabled, please ensure that it is enabled. Okay, now the first feature there is standard feature. Make sure that that is enabled. The second one is intermittent feature. Make sure it's enabled. And the third one is advanced feature. Very important. Make sure they are all green, like they are enabled. Now this will help you to start accessing some features. Okay, then this is not where we are going to anyway. After this place, come out from this place, you are going to click on customization. Yes, channel customization. This pencil icon, click on it. That is YouTube customization. Let's properly now customize some settings here. All right, then when you click on this customization, you're going to click on this home tab. Click on the home tab and make sure that this button here is toggled on. Make sure that it is being turned on. Now when this button here is this home tab is being turned on, your videos will be able to be popping out of YouTube home tab. Yes, like your subscribers will be seeing your video, like everyone on YouTube will be seeing your video. Some of you, your own is off, so please ensure that you turned your own on. Come here and enable it. It is very important. Then after making sure that this is enabled, you're going to click on this. Next is to click on this art section. Yes, and the first thing you will see there is channel trailer. Now what does this mean? This means that the video that you want your new subscribers to see, anyone that subscribed to your channel, which video do you want them to see first? So you are going to come here and choose a video. Like I just pick a video and you can see. So anyone, my new subscriber, this is the first video they will see. So while choosing this, you are going to be choosing your best performing video. If you want to choose this channel trailer, make sure it's your best performing video on your channel. All right, you can read what is written there so that you understand better. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So make sure you choose your best video and keep it. Do you understand? Because those are for this video, or any video you are putting here is for your new subscribers. Like the video that you know they will see immediately they subscribe to your channel. Ensure you pick your best video. Okay, click on the ask section again, and then the second one is spotlight for returning subscribers. Pick another video, a very good one at that. Again, another good video that is performing well. All right, as you are watching me, I will advise that you minimize and start doing what I'm showing you in this video, because this is going to help you. This is the secret that most people will not tell you or show you. All right, when you do these things that I'm showing you in this video, believe me, YouTube will start recommending your video. Okay, now we are trying to organize your channel. That is what we are doing here, to hope you understand. Then after picking your video, like these are, it will appear on your own. Do you understand? Okay, after adding your channel trailer and spotlight for returning viewers, then click on the add section again. Yes, this time around you're clicking on for you. The next one is for you. Now this simply means which of the videos or do you want YouTube to be recommending. Which of your videos do you want YouTube to recommend? Only your short, or only your long video, or only your live video? Do you understand? So please ensure that these three buttons are on. These three buttons, ensure that they are on. Now another important thing is that this button where they say all content, don't say recent content. Most of you, your own is in recent content, you see. So please remove your own from recent content and keep it at all content. In case if your own is not on recent all content, remove it from recent content and put it in all content, and then make sure that these three buttons here is being turned on. None of them should be turned off for any reason. All right, now because this is asking you what type of content you want them to be recommending. Some of you are turn some buttons off here. That is why when you make long video it will not go, when you make short video it will go. So enable that these three buttons on. That is all content. Tell YouTube that you want them to recommend all your content. It is very, very important. Do you understand? So check your own now. That is why I even said, I always say just minimize and be doing what I'm doing. Okay, the next feature now is a feature channel. All right, see all these buttons that are here, we're not going to be using all of them. I'm only showing the most important one, that the one that you will need for your channel. Do you understand? So this one now, the next thing now is maybe if you have any bigger creator, you understand, any bigger YouTuber, you can just beg the person, do you understand, to do this last one for you. This last one means that you can use, the person can just promote your channel. The person can help you to be promoting your channel. Do you understand? By adding your channel in this particular place that I want to show you. That's a feature channel. Do you understand? The next one, look at it, feature channel. If you click on it now, if the person click on it and add your channel name, you understand, whenever people finish watching their video, that person's video, they will see your own video or your link will be the next. So this is for, you know, for if you have a bigger channel, or maybe you have a bigger channel, do you understand, you want to add your small channel. But if you don't have anyone that will help you with that, if you don't have any bigger creator that you know that can help you, or you don't have smaller channel, just leave it like that. Okay, you don't need it. Then if you have finished setting up this whole thing the right way, just go ahead and click on publish so that it will save. All right.
Hi, welcome back. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Uche, and in this channel I teach content creators how to grow and monetize their channel very fast and in the right way. I also teach you the mistakes that you should avoid on YouTube so that you not have issues here on YouTube. Now, if this is something you want for your channel, go ahead and do what? And hit the subscribe button. It's totally for free. All right. I want you to know that in this channel we support each other, we help each other to grow or do YouTube the right way. So you're also going to go under the comment section. You are going to pick a creator and subscribe to his or her channel. Don't just subscribe, but please also watch the person's video. All right. All right, and if there's anything you want me to teach you on YouTube, if there's anything you don't understand on YouTube, you can go ahead and do it and drop the comments on drop your comments on the comment section. I'm going to make a video and teach you anything at all that you don't understand.